me, I'm ready. Roger that.
This may be just another day at the office for you, Captain, but for everyone here, it's a special occasion. For today's flight, you're taking Ashley, one of our friends, and her granddad over Maple Grove. If the seatbelts are fastened, you're ready for takeoff. Captain, it's up to you.
4-2, Mike November traffic firestorm, Sierra Echo X-ray 1 tree is taxiing to runway 27.
Nice to meet you, Captain. I'm Ashley. Never had the chance to fly over Maple Grove before, and I'm thrilled, so I'm counting on you to show me lots of cool stuff around my place.
X-ray 1 tree
Hi,
off runway
I'm Michael,
27
Ashley's
departure to the
grandfather.
east.
I can't believe we'll be up there in a few minutes. Can't wait.
Are we going?
A few moments later.
I thought I'd be more nervous, but so far so good.
Mike November traffic firestorm,